Judy
and Jimmy,
and welcome to Jake's Family TV. Today we have a new game called Mousetrap. This toy is for ages 6 and up, 2 to 4 players. How we play is we scurry around the board, but watch out for the traps. Set off the chain reaction trap to catch other mice. Collect 6 cheese wedges first to win. The contents of this game are a game board, 4 mouse pawns, marble, 24 mousetrap, contraption parts, rubber band, 24 cardboard cheese wedges, die, and instructions. So let's open the game up. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so here we have it. That's why we're going to read instructions. Okay. So here. Okay. So here we have a man for the traps. We have 4 mice. We have a marble, and we have a die. So here we have parts of the traps. So we have many parts. Okay, so here we have some stairs, a trap, we have
this thing,
a wheel thing,
a thing,
the cheese wedges. Okay, let's open it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we can get it out. So guys, we're done assembling. The rules are whoever gets 6 wedges first wins. The amount of wedges we have are 12 altogether, 4 players, and 1 die. The spaces means if I land on the yellow, I take a cheese from the stash, 1. If I land on the green, that means I steal a cheese from any player I want, so it means Jimmy. If I land on the red, that means I lose the cheese and return it back to the stash.
Yay.
If I land on the purple, that means I'm in the safe zone. And if I land on the blue, that means I will take any player, which is Jimmy, into the danger zone and set off the trap. So now I will set it off for you all to see how it works. So then the player will get trapped. They have to give a cheese into the stash and they will lose 1 turn. So now we're going to be starting to play. We're going to see who starts first by rolling the die. Whoever gets the highest number starts first. So Jimmy, you roll first. He got 5. Oh no, that's pretty good. Okay, I hope I get a 6. I got a 5. Okay, I guess we're gonna rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay. So Jimmy starts. Which color do you want? You want blue. Okay.
Red.
What? Okay, so Jimmy wants red. And whenever we start, we get 1 free cheese. So take your first cheese.
Yay.
And now roll. 5. Do you want me to do it for you?
1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4, 5.
No. You did it wrong. See, look. Okay, let me show you how you do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jimmy was in the safe zone. So now I'm going to take blue. Take my free cheese. And now I am going to roll to see where I land. I got 2. 1, 2. Okay, we're both in safe zone. Oh no, this is gonna get bad. Okay, 1. You lose the cheese!
No.
Sorry, Jimmy. Cheese into the stash. Okay, my turn. Okay, I got 6! 6! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I get a free cheese. There we go. Get 2. So now I only need one more to win because if we do 6, it's going to be very long. 2.
1.
You're in the tunnel.
Yay!
Tunnel means you go over here.
Yeah, go.
So, you did not land on the trap though. Think about that. So, my turn. I got 6. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Safe zone. Roll. Okay, 1. Lose a cheese. He doesn't have any cheeses, so he's in the safe zone. What? Okay. You set off the trap. You did. No. Threat. Okay. Wait, so it's my turn? Okay, my turn. I got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I don't get to steal, so I'm really disappointed. So Jimmy is broke with no cheese. He got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. He was so close for setting off the trap. Oh my god. If he got 3, I would have been dead. Dead. Okay. So, my turn. I got 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. There you go. Go. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am so thankful for the dice. Okay, you're in the safe zone. My turn. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The thing I've always been waiting for has come true. Sorry. I have to set off the trap. Ready? Yes! The thing I've always been waiting for is coming true. Oh my god. Yes. Come on. Jimmy misses a turn. He got trapped. So yeah. My turn, so I get 2 turns. So excited. I get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Safe zone. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I lose a cheese. My last turn I had to lose a cheese. Why can't I do the trap again? Okay. Jimmy's back in the game. Okay, let me lift it up. Fine. Okay, fine. Roll. You got 2. 1, 2. You got a cheese! He's so excited. Okay. I still take the die. I got 2. So, 1, 2. I get a cheese! So now it is Jimmy's turn. Oh my god, I'm very scared. He got 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Oh my god. Oh, hi. And now it is my turn. Yes, I got 2. I'm going to win. 1, 2. I got a cheese. I won. We did 3. I did 3. I have 3. Jimmy has 1. I'm the winner. This game is really amazing. It makes your heart beat really fast, like really fast. So this is the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and watch our previous videos. Bye!